Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we'll be looking at the DDPAI Mola N3 Dashcam for the EcoSport. So basically this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the dashcam. So let's get right into it. So let's go right ahead and do the unboxing. So this is the real deal. This is the Mola N3 DDPAI Dashcam. So DDPAI is a Chinese brand, and of course, like any other dashcam brand, it is Chinese, but it is also a premium product, and it has 1 year of warranty as well as support. So let's go right ahead and unbox this. Listen to this, guys. The crazy part is that this particular dashcam, unlike many other brands, supports 128 GB of class 10 memory card storage. So I got myself the 128 GB version, and I'm gonna fix it into the camera. So let's go right ahead and open this up. Here it is. Let's take a look inside the box. So what do we have here? So we have the user manual along with the instructions, and also the electrostatic sticker as well as a 3M double-sided sticker. Then we have the cable that connects the camera to the power supply, and this cable is really long, and this can be tucked neatly under the dashboard. We've also got the power adapter that connects into the cigarette socket or the power socket of the car. And also, one more beauty about this is that it provides two USB ports for you to connect another device so that you can utilize the port to the maximum extent. And this is the dock that docks the camera to the mount. So basically, this is the GPS enabled one. It has a GPS sensor inside, and it directly fits on to the windshield of the car, and the camera module sits on top of it. And here it is. This is the camera that we're talking about. So this is the dash cam. So here is the DDPAI Mola N3 camera. So initial impressions, it really is very premium to the touch, and it has a mic here, a dedicated mic button, a mic slot through which it records your audio, and it has a reset port as well. And this is the lens. It is not rotatable, and this has the dock for connecting to the power supply. And the one beauty about this product is that you can fix it in either way, either facing outward viewing the road, or you can face it inward viewing the passengers in the car. So you can take a 360-degree video in any direction that you want because of its symmetrical property. And so let's get this installed and we'll be back. So basically the camera is installed here right behind the mirror, and then the wiring goes this way. So it goes behind the thing, it gets stuck there, and you have to remove this plastic trim. You have to tuck the wire neatly under that, and the wiring goes through the door, the sides of the thing, through the door, and then what happens is it comes under the dashboard. Let me see if I can shed some light there. It comes under the glove box. It comes through this panel from the underneath, and this whole thing needs to be removed. This thing needs to be removed. They removed this, and they wired it under the glove box and directly right from here. So it comes through this panel and comes out this way. You can see it here. It comes out this way and then directly goes to your power supply cord. So that's about the wiring. So it's neatly hidden away. You can't even notice it. Only this small bit over here can be seen, that's all. And it's right behind the mirror, so if the camera is placed here, you can hardly see the camera from here. Now this device shoots at almost 2K resolution, so it is as good as 70mm Pro. It is a direct competitor to the 70mm Dashcam, and in fact it performs way better than the 70mm because of a few advantages that it has. Firstly, it does not come with a touch screen or any screen for that matter, and that's a good thing for the Dashcam because it can save on power, and also it does not cause a lot of overheating. And also, unlike the 70mm Pro, it does not come with the lithium ion battery, but instead it uses supercapacitors, high capacitors, so it's much safer, and it also offers a wider range of operating temperatures.